Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-01920 error in Oracle database 12c. So what I am going to do, I am going to log in as a sysdba in SQL Plus Editor. So I am going to log in as a DBA user in SQL Plus Editor so that all permissions will be there by default. So I am logging with full permission. Okay. So I am logging as a DBA account. Okay. Now what I am going to do, I am going to create one common user. Okay. I am going to create one common user. Create user C#Scott identified by Tiger. Okay. ORA-01920 username conflicts with another user or role, which means that there's already user called C#Scott. Okay, so this I am not aware. Okay, I am not aware whether this user available or not in database. So what I am going to do, I am going to log in SQL developer as a sysdba account, sysdba, and run this query, select star from all underscore users. So now see here, I am searching for all the users. So C#Scott is already there. Okay, C#Scott is already there. So what I am going to do, I am going to create a new user. Okay, a new user which is not available in the database. Okay, so by this way only we need to fix the ORA-01920 user conflict with another user or role name. Now you can see that new user which is not available in database is created successfully. Okay.